It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Okay, hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to my channel. Hey. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beatby Moe, and I'm back with another wig review for you today, okay? Another Amazon wig, okay? So y'all, hold on one second, so I can give y'all the details and the information because I threw the box away. So I gotta get into my iPad, get onto my Amazon account. And this is something that I should have been in, but mind your business. Okay? So, y'all, while I get into this account, y'all, I just want to tell y'all, Amazon be coming through with the come through on the come throughs with the wigs, okay? Because, baby, this wig is amazing. It's amazing. I love this wig. Love this wig. There we go. Okay. So I had to go to the details of it because, you know, I got to tell y'all the information. But this wig did not come this color. I did dye this color. You guys will see in the video. Y'all will see in the video that I dyed it. I put it in a little little clip of me dyeing it. Because, y'all, I'm not an expert at dyeing hair, doing wig installs. None of that. I know how to do my hair. I know how I want my hair to look. So, yeah. So this is a lace front wig, of course. It's 24 inches. It comes to the top of my butt because I'm short. And it's a 3x4 lace front. So it stops like right there. And then like on the ears, it stops like right there. It was originally black. It's 150 density. Okay, it was $177 on Amazon. Okay, $177. Now, this does give you minimum shedding, but it doesn't shed a lot. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. And I'm barely getting hair. Now, listen, Linda, listen, hunty, listen. Okay, I wanted to give y'all my honest review. I wanted to tell y'all the truth because I'm not finna get on here and lie. If it's bad hair, I'm gonna tell you it's bad hair. If it's good hair, I'm gonna tell you it's good hair. So I dyed this hair. I deep conditioned it. Y'all, look at the luster, look at the shine, look at the way my fingers are running through the hair. Look at that. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see this too, right? Okay, yeah. So get into it. Okay, Amazon, $177. Let me go to the seller's name. Cause, okay. It's called, I'm gonna have the name here. Right there. I'm gonna also have the link in my description box because I'm gonna put y'all on. Like, what type of friend would I be if I got on here bragging about some hair and didn't put the link in my description box? Like, come on now. So it will be linked in my description box as well. Okay. Y'all, I just keep petting my hair because y'all, this hair is so soft. It's so beautiful. Okay, look at the layers. Like, the layers is so nice. Like, I love it. It says it's pre-plucked, but you know, I had to go in and do my little more thing to it because I don't trust no wig that say it's pre-plucked unless it looks like it's really pre-plucked. This didn't look pre-plucked to me. So I went in and I plucked it a little bit more because I like for my hairline to look real. So yeah, that is the wig, y'all. I had ordered it. Y'all, I'm trying to remember when I ordered it, and I got the order history right here in my hand, y'all. That's how you know I gotta stop. Y'all mind your business. Y'all mind your business. Yeah, but you know, mind your business. Because I almost told myself, but mind your business. Okay, so I ordered this on December 30th. I put it on December 30th. And I still got it on right now. Now, I ain't going to sit here and lie to y'all. I started out as a middle part. Did a middle part, and then I took it off. I deep conditioned it because it was like still bleeding and stuff from when I had dyed it. So I took it off, deep conditioned it really well, let it sit in the deep conditioner, and then washed it out and everything and put it back on. And I have not had to, y'all, I have not had to reapply my lace. I haven't had to do no touch up. Like, my hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. So, yeah. Yeah, I had to. I'm going to show y'all a clip of the glue that I used to put on this lace front wig. Y'all. I'm not going to say it's better than boho. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to sit here and say that. But it's some really good glue. It really is some good glue. And it's lasting, y'all. I done even missed a couple of nights of like wrapping my hair up. I just went to bed. And my hair is still looking good. Like, it still looks good. Like, it still looks good. It's still intact. It's still everything. So, y'all, I'm going to be putting y'all up. I did get the glue from my local hair supply store. So, I don't know if it's online, but like I said, I'm going to put a clip of the glue. I'm going to show y'all the glue that I use somewhere up in here. Y'all go online, type the name in, and try to find it. I'm putting the glue up here, so I ain't finna go online and try to find no link and all of that. Y'all got to do some of the work. But I just wanted to come in and give y'all my honest review. Y'all will see a quick little video of me putting this wig on. And yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. I'm going to be doing, you know, like, I'll probably be at the end, in the outro, just showing y'all the hair and the finished product, because I started doing the video and then I had to stop because I'm a mother. I am a mother. So my child needed me. But I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys go purchase this wig, because baby, it is a good what? It's a good wig, y'all. It's a good, great wig. Especially if you need a wig like that and you just trying to do something real quick. If you one of them bougie type of people and you like to buy expensive hair. But me, I got real hair. I got hair up under here. So I don't need nothing too expensive on my head. So Amazon. I go on Amazon, I go get me a nice little wig. And they are really nice. Look at, stop playing with Amazon. Y'all sleep. And I'm trying to wake y'all up. Trying to wake y'all up and y'all want to be asleep. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, okay? Follow my social medias. My Instagram is right here, okay? And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye now, bye. So I took 30 Develop in the L'Oreal High C red color and I mixed it together, and I'm just gonna go in and start dyeing this hair. Guys, this video is kind of all over the place and I do apologize, so just bear with me with this video because this is my first time doing like a video where I'm dyeing the hair on camera, so just bear with me guys. But yeah, this is me just dyeing the hair and just getting it all through the hair. I start from the bottom and go up to the root. I'm not gonna show you me dyeing the whole head because yeah, this was a mess. It was a mess. It was very messy. So I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit. Enjoy this little bit that I show you guys. Okay, so I didn't show you guys my ball cap method because I've done it in other videos before. So this is just me laying the glue down, and I've already did one coat. This is my second coat, and I am just spreading it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. I am gonna have a clip of the glue that I use up there on the screen there somewhere, because y'all, this glue is literally giving Bold a run for their money, okay? It really is giving them a run for their money. Okay, so now I am just laying my lace where I'm in the glue where I want it to lay, and I'm just taking the back of my comb and I'm just pressing that lace into my glue. So guys, I do take my hot comb and I just lay my edges before I put my melt band on, and guys, you will see everything that I'm doing, but I'm just trying to lay this lace as nice as possible and just getting it nice and laid into that glue. And I do that with the back of my comb because I don't like to do it with my hand, because your hand holds oils, and if you do it with your hand, then those oils will get into the glue and it will stop the lace from sticking like it should. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this lace, and I hope you guys enjoy this little clip of me laying the lace. Okay, so I have thought that I let this, you know, sit long enough. And I am going to go in now with my razor, and I am just going to go ahead and start cutting that lace. Guys, I did, one part of my glue did not dry all the way when I was cutting this lace. And it looks as though that I cut my lace too far back, but I didn't. It just, the glue was not dry in that area, so that part of the lace moved back. So it looks like I messed up, but I really didn't, as you could tell in my other videos. So guys, I'm glad that I kind of did this so you guys can see, like, this is a fixable mistake. You just want to take your time when cutting your lace, because baby, you also will cut yourself. Like, I almost cut myself a couple of times. So y'all, just pay attention to what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, you know my comment section is always there. Okay, and I am going to do my best to list everything in my description box on what I used on my hair today. Okay, so as you can tell, you see how it's like popping up on the edges there, right there? The glue did not all the way dry down. And so I had to go back in and add a little bit more glue to it. And after then, it was fine. I had to fix that part that slipped back as well in the front. That side did not stick down like I thought it would. So I just went over to the other side because I was like, let me just take the other side. Let me just cut the other side and see if it does the same thing, so I can go ahead and make the appropriate corrections. But this side came out way better than the other side, and I just fixed it a little bit. So yeah, I'm just cutting the lace, and you want to make sure that you cut it kind of jagged, not straight across, because you want it to kind of match your hairline. Alright guys, so I am just finishing up laying this lace down and getting everything fixed here, so it can look presentable. But guys, I just want to thank you all for like supporting me and watching my videos. Good, bad, ugly, sad, crazy, happy, mad, all of that. So I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me with all of this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this wig, y'all. It is giving scalp, okay? It's giving my hair. It's giving root, okay? And I am just loving this hair. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything will be listed below in my description box as well.